Okay, so Shawn Patrick Greene in South Buffalo. Right behind me is Hammersmith and North Legion. I'm here just documenting South Buffalo according to my perspective during this weird winter months here. We got once in a generation snowstorm. Now I've been through some of the blizzard of 77 as a 6-year-old, stuck at the time I was in elementary school at Center Road Baptist School, and somehow, well, let me get through this a little. Somehow we made it. It was fun. I was in a cot for 2 or 3 days. My dad worked at Donner had a coke plant, and he somehow he made it. I think my mom might have been stuck somewhere where she lived in South Park, but I think she was telling me a story about the airport, but I don't know what that was all about. I have to ask her again. But she worked at the airport one time in her life, security. And then blizzard of 85. Blizzard of 85 was different. I mean, it was pretty big. You know, it had 15-foot snow drifts just like other times. And then I was gone for 21 years and I came back, so I missed this other storms, but there wasn't big snowstorms. 2014, fast forward, we had this thing called the Snowvember storm. The knife was a nickname. The knife, they called it, nickname. And that was interesting. 8 foot of snow in less than 48 hours. It wasn't blizzardous conditions, not a whole lot of wind, it was just heavy accumulation. And then, well, 2010 there was a nice storm too. Crippled a lot of the side streets. I remember that one as well. But then, this year I would say this one beats them all. Never in my life have I experienced this kind of a wind storm in Buffalo. Gusts of up to 70 miles an hour. It's incredible. But here's the result of it. At 48 hours of sustained winds of at least 30 miles an hour, and it was blowing all in that direction, which was from the southeast in that direction is about southwest, in that direction is northeast. So it was going directly through this neighborhood straight. And you see, yeah, the roofs are not as bad. It wasn't like heavy snow that stuck to everybody's house. But yeah. So I'm going to conclude Shawn Patrick Greene. Somebody's down the road now, it looks like. Maybe they're going to try to get this car out of there. That's a good thing. Alright, so maybe we're going to get some plows here before you know it. Finally. That car is going to get taken out. Then they're going to put us on the list to be shoveled out. So we'll see what happens. Okay, Shawn Patrick Greene, Fudge Witless News, South Buffalo, Snowstorm 2 for 2022, Bomb Cyclone, Blizzard of 2022, today is December 27th. Signing off for now. I hope you enjoyed this document of this crazy moment in our history.